Make and freeze Ramadan recipes. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents 4 best chicken starters. Crispy chicken bites, chicken cheese balls, chicken croquettes, spring rolls. Crispy chicken bites. Take 300 grams of boneless chicken cut into cubes. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1½ tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Pinch of white pepper powder. ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. ½ teaspoon tandoori masala. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon plain flour. 1 tablespoon corn flour. 1 teaspoon green chili sauce. 2 tablespoons curd. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon Szechuan chutney. Squeeze some lemon. Combine well. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. Peel off the spring roll sheets. Place one over another. Repeat 4 more times, so total 6 sheets place each other. Divide it into 3 parts. Put one on top of the other. You can also take samosa sheets or boiled noodles. Cut into thin long strips. Add 3 tablespoons corn flour. Combine well. Place marinated chicken pieces on it. Cover with strips. Press it as shown. Make balls as shown. Press it. Repeat the same procedure. Remove excess strips. Put in a freezer as it is. Once hard enough, remove in a Ziploc bag and store in a freezer use within 1 month. Preheat the oil. When bubbles appear around skewers, which means oil is ready. Fry the coated crispy bites. Fry on low to medium flame. Don't flip immediately. Fry until crispy and golden brown. Don't remove on tissue paper. Time to plate. Garnish as per your choice. Serve with tomato ketchup. Do try these super delicious tandoori crispy thread chicken bites recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Chicken cheese balls. One cup boiled mashed potatoes. 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Half cup grated cheese. Quarter cup frozen sweet corn. Quarter cup chopped capsicum. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Quarter teaspoon chaat masala. Half teaspoon chili flakes. Half teaspoon garam masala. Handful of chopped coriander leaves. Combine well. Grease your palm with oil. Take some filling. Flatten it with your fingers. Stuff cheese. Make balls as shown. Repeat the same procedure for all. I'm using mozzarella cheese pearls. You can use any. You can also use cornflour slurry instead of eggs. Take breadcrumbs. Beat the eggs. Now take chicken balls deep into the beaten eggs. Coat with breadcrumbs. Repeat the same procedure for all. You can store in a freezer for up to 2 weeks. Deep fry them until golden brown. Our delicious chicken cheese balls are ready to serve. Do give it a try and enjoy. Perfect recipe for all cheese lovers. Spring rolls. Add some oil in a pan. Heat up the oil. Add 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 to 3 mixed green chilies. Sauté well for a minute. 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Vegetarians can use boiled noodles instead of chicken. Fry 2 minutes. 1 cup cabbage. 1 green capsicum julienne cut. 1 yellow capsicum julienne cut. Half cup grated carrots. Stir fry 3 minutes on medium to high flame. Mix well with 2 spatulas. 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon green chili sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Cook 2 to 3 minutes on high flame, do not overcook. Turn off the flame. Half cup green onions. Combine well. Remove in a bowl. Let the mixture cool down completely. Flour slurry. Take equal amount of water and flour. Add plain flour in it. Mix well. We will seal our rolls with this slurry. It's time to fill rolls. Add sufficient chicken veggies filling in it. Make rolls as shown. Use slurry to seal it. Store in airtight container and freeze up to 1 month. Our spring rolls are ready to fry. Heat up the oil. Deep fry in hot oil. Fry until golden brown. Remove it. Time to plate. It goes perfect with Szechuan chutney. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Cheesy chicken croquettes. Seven to 8 boiled small potatoes or 2 big size. Mash the potatoes well. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Half teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. Half teaspoon garam masala. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. 2 to 3 tablespoons chopped fresh mint leaves. 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves. 1 chopped onion. Salt to taste. 1/4 cup grated mozzarella cheese. 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. Mix well. Add half cup breadcrumbs. Combine well. Grease your palm with oil. Now take a big amount of mixture. Flatten it with your fingers. Stuff 1 mozzarella cheese stick. Make rolls as shown. Flatten it. Stuff cheese. Give it a croquette cylinder shape. Repeat the same procedure for all. Now take 2 eggs. Add 1 tablespoon milk. Beat well. We are also using breadcrumbs for coating. Now take chicken croquettes first, dip in the beaten eggs. Now coat with breadcrumbs. Repeat the same procedure for all. Can be stored in freezer up to 2 weeks. Deep fry until nice golden brown. Chicken croquettes are ready to enjoy. Must try this super delicious recipe and do not forget to thank me later. Do try these 4 delicious make and freeze recipes. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.